Now, when we talk about negative, we use didn't to make a negative form or negative structure in the past simple. I didn't work last summer. This is a clear negative sentence in the past simple. I didn't live in a flat during my last summer holiday. I didn't go to Berlin last July. These sentences are negative sentences. When it comes to the question, we can ask a question in the past simple like this. Did you travel by boat last holiday? And the answer or the short answer must be yes, I did, or no, I didn't. So the question is formed like this. Did plus the subject plus the base form. Did you see any dolphins? No, I didn't. Or yes, I did. You know, if you look to this part, you will find the affirmative and the negative and the question and the short answer. For example, I worked in the affirmative. In the negative, I didn't work. In the question, did I work? If you answer, yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Let's have another example. When we have the pronoun he, we say he worked, and the negative is he didn't work, and did he work? The answer will be yes, he did, or no, he didn't. We have time expressions or keywords or indicators that refer to the past simple, such as yesterday, last month, last year, last time, ago, in the past, before, at ancient times, once, one day, once upon a time, the other day. All these words can express the past simple tense. My friends traveled to Saudi Arabia 2 years ago. This is past simple. Past continuous tense. It's formed like was or were plus the verb plus ing. When it comes to the question, I start with was or were plus the verb plus ing. I can say, were you playing? The answer will be yes, I were, or no, I were not. When it comes to the negative, I add not after was and were. I say I wasn't playing or they weren't playing. Let's compare the past continuous, I was doing, to the past simple, I did. What's the difference in the meaning? In the past continuous, in the middle of the action, I was walking home when I met Dave. In the middle of walking home, I mean, the past continuous means an action was happening in the past or was in progress in the past, till another action came to interrupt and stop this action. Anne was watching television when the phone rang. The past simple is a complete action. I walked home after the party last night. This is complete action. Number 2, Anne watched the television a lot when she was ill last year. So when we talk about the difference between past simple and past continuous, in the past continuous, I can say I have 2 actions. One was in progress till the other action came to interrupt or stop it. But in the past simple, the action is complete. We use the past continuous also to express the long actions, especially when you want to describe, if you write a fantastic story. You can say the sun was shining. So these things or these cases can be used in the past continuous. Which of the following sentences is correctly punctuated? This question is very important and you may find in the exam. I love my father. I love my father, Ali, he said. I love my father, he said. I love my father, he said. I love my father, he said. Which one is correctly punctuated? It's I love my father, Ali, he said. So which one? Firstly, I have to have speech marks. You can identify the correct one with these markers or these indicators. Number one, the speech marks must be found. Then I have to start with a capital letter. I have to have a comma. Ali must start with a capital letter. I have to have a full stop by the end of the sentence and 2 full stops by the end of the 2 sentences. So number 2, which one is correct? Yeah, this one. I live with my family. He said speech marks and capital letter, full stop, speech marks, and another full stop. These things must be found. These things are found in sentence A. Again, when it comes to the question, which one is punctuated correctly? Yes, this one. Do you like playing tennis, Ahmed? I have to find speech marks, capital letter, question mark, speech marks, and full stop. So which one? So it must be, yes, it must be A. It must be A. It must be B, not A. The next one. Which one is correctly punctuated? The teacher asked, comma, that is speech mark. The teacher, T, it must be capital, then comma, speech marks, and then comma. Ahmed must start with a capital letter, then question mark and speech mark. This one is the correct one. One more. Which one or which sentence is correctly punctuated? It's this one. The girl cried, "What a beautiful car." The T must be capital because I'm starting a new sentence, comma, speech mark, and exclamatory mark and speech mark. These things must be found to choose the correct punctuation.